Ready to level up your video editing skills? In this video, we're diving into how long it actually takes a video editor like you to learn Adobe Animate. We'll uncover the animation learning curve and see how quickly you can start creating compelling animations. Let's start with the basics. As a video editor, you're already familiar with timelines, right? Well, Adobe Animate's timeline is your new best friend. Spend time understanding keyframes and how to manipulate them along the timeline. You'll learn how to control the animation's timing and pacing. Mastering this foundational element will be a game changer. Next up is the art of shape tweening. This allows you to morph one shape into another, creating fluid and dynamic animations. This will be a quick win for you. Your video editing experience makes picking this up a breeze. Expect to get the hang of creating compelling animations in a week or two. Now, let's talk about symbols. Symbols are reusable assets that can drastically speed up your workflow. Learn how to create symbols for repeated elements, such as characters, logos, or any other assets. This reusability will save you a ton of time. In the first month or two, you will be tackling more intermediate animation. This can include logo reveals, simple character animations, and text animations. However, this will depend on your animation style preferences. Lastly, exporting your creations. Learn how to export your animations in various formats, such as MP4, GIF, and more for the best quality output. Realistically, it takes about a month or two to become proficient in Adobe Animate as a video editor, so jump in, experiment, and get animating. Your video editing skills will thank you.